Hello guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel, which is Sumit Todar with another job update. So before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon for more updates. And you can follow me in my social media, Facebook and Instagram for more updates. So now let's start the video. So notification is given by the IBPS, Institute of Banking Personnel, the various posts for the various posts, and then online registration and payment of fee has been started, which is 8th of June, and the last date of registration and payment of fee is 28th of the June. So the application fee is 850 for general, and for ST/SC PWD candidates they have to pay 175 rupees, which should be done through online only. So there is a various posts, and for them the age limit as on 1st of June is given. For the minimum age for the officer scale 3rd and 2nd is 21 years. Maximum age for the officer scale 1st and office assistant is 18 years. Maximum age for the officer scale 3rd 40 years, officer scale 2 32 years, and for scale 1 30 years. Maximum age for office assistant is 28 years. There is a age relaxation also is there as per the Government of India guidelines for the SC/ST and OBC physically handicapped and ex-serviceman candidate. So the various posts and their number of vacancy and then qualification is given over here. And for the office assistant multi-purpose, total number of vacancies 5134, which is assistant manager 3922, officer scale 2 general banking officer manager 906, for the scale 2 in information technology of chartered account, total number of vacancies 32. Remember that for serial number 1 2 3 and 4 the qualification is bachelor's degree, so anybody can apply for this post, those who have the bachelor's degree. And for the officer scale 2 in chartered accountant, the candidate those who is having the CA only can apply, and for them the total number of posts is 32. For the scale 2 in law officer, total number of vacancies is 27, and they should have the degree in law. And for the officer scale 2 treasury manager, for them CA and MBA is educational qualification, and total number of vacancy is 10. For the marketing officer, MBA is needed, that should be in the marketing only, and for them the total number of post is 43. And for agriculture officer and for the officer scale 3rd, bachelor degree is needed. So you just go, and whichever post you are interested in, go to the down, and you just go and click and do the registration and apply online. So these are the number of vacancy details, category wise, total number of posts, and then qualification. And below down there is a separate column is given for the corresponding post. Just go and click, do register, and then apply online. And for the detailed notification also, you can just go over here in this column and click on it, which contains more than 60 pages. If you want that detailing in details, you can go through this notification. We will look what is the exam pattern. So exam pattern, just go click on the corresponding column, and then exam pattern will be in the 2 stages. For office assistant multi-purpose, that too in preliminary examination objective type, and the second will be the main examination, which is objective type. In preliminary examination, objective type contains 2 paper, the reasoning and numerical ability, which both will be in Hindi and English, and each will be containing 40 questions for the maximum marks of 40. For the composite time is 45 minutes only. So for the total 80 number of questions, they will be giving you 45 minutes to solve it in the preliminary examination, and those who will qualify the preliminary examination has to go further for the main examination, which contains Again, objective type questions, in that the reasoning, numerical abilities, general awareness, English language, Hindi language both, computer knowledge, and the number of question will be the 40 in each, and the maximum marks for the reasoning and numerical ability will be the 40, and for the computer knowledge it will be the 20 marks, and for the remaining it is 40. So main examination will be conducted for the total marks of 200, and the composite time will be given only 2 hours. So there is also negative marking for wrong questions. There will be 2.25 marks deducted there. So and cutoff marks will be decided on the basis of the average. So that will be decided once the candidate will write the exam, and then scorecard will be valid for the 1 year from the date of issuing it, and the one 40%, and for the other category you get minimum qualifying marks to go for next round. So these are the information all about the IBPS recruitment 2021. So thank you. I'm signing out until we meet again. Till then, bye bye.